This is going to be the last clock you ever buy. This is Vivilumens clock. It's wood on the outside. It has sounds, it has music, it has everything that you need to fall asleep. It's very easy to adjust the light. It goes from there to there. You can barely see that, and then completely off. It has lights right there. It's got 2 alarms on here, one for the weekdays, one for the weekend, and the sounds that this has. To turn on the sounds, you've got 2. You'll see here, you've got the music note, and then you've got the white noise. And on the music note one, it's going to go through a bunch of different sounds. Check out Vivilumens wooden alarm clock.